Hello guys. In this video, we are going to give you an impartial review when we are covering 5 best weather stations in the market, which are the best for you considering some unavoidable factors that you might miss out without watching this video. Here, we are trying to help you out to find the best from a plenty of irrelevant products. If you want more information and updated pricing of the products mentioned in the video, be sure to check the links in the description below. So, let's get started. Number 1. Our overall best for the money pick is Ambient Weather WS2902C Wi-Fi Smart Weather Station. Starting from the family of the Ambient. The Ambient Weather WS2902C would be the best pick that provides you with almost everything you require. And the best part, it doesn't affect your wallet much. The WS2902C is the most recent weather station model of the WS2902A series. This time the company has provided upgraded sensors and more user-friendly controls. Its LCD remote is extremely easy to use. Even a 10-year-old kid can use it with no difficulty. Number 2. Our second best pick is Newentor Weather Station Wireless Indoor-Outdoor Thermometer. The Newentor company has recently started its business journey, and their products have already begun to shine in the market. The company aims to provide value in the low-end budget. And this weather station is the perfect example of it. This weather station can support up to 3 sensors at the same time. Thus, you can easily expect to get the basic readings. These readings include mostly temperature and humidity numbers. Number 3. Our third best pick is AcuRite Iris Indoor-Outdoor Wireless Weather Station. The next one on the list is one of the big dogs of this industry, AcuRite. The AcuRite is famously known for value for money. And its Iris, 5-in-1, weather station would be the perfect fit for it. Here you can easily expect all the features without compromising your budget. Some of the sneak peek of the features are indoor-outdoor temperature and humidity, wind speed/direction, barometric pressure, and rainfall. Everything, right into the LCD screen. Try to not expose it to direct sunlight for more accurate results. Number 4. Our fourth best pick is Kalawen Wireless Indoor-Outdoor Weather Station. Kalawen is another lower-range weather station that does the work perfectly. Here too, the features you'll get are up to the mark. And the accuracy is non-questionable as well. Let's have a deeper look at what you'll get with this device. The 3 common remote sensors will take care of your basic needs. You can easily get the measurements of the temperature and humidity levels. And no need to worry about the accuracy as well, the product is well known for that. Number 5. Last but not the least, our fifth best pick is Sainlogic Wireless Weather Station. This advanced Sainlogic weather station is backed by Japanese technology. Here, the company claims to provide you with the most accurate readings among the competitors. This company is comparatively new, but its Amazon review is revealing a whole different story. This Sainlogic weather station provides you with 5 powerful sensors to cover most of the weather reports. The features you can expect here are rain funnel, solar panel and transmission module, wind vane and high-speed anemometer, information about temperature, humidity, air pressure, wind speed, and wind direction, and a lot more. So, grab this while you can. Be sure to check the links in the description below. That's all for this review. Feel free to share your feedback.
Like, comment and share our video. Do subscribe and hit the bell icon to get more videos like this in future. Thanks for watching.